Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are decorating for Christmas, which I am so excited about. I always love taking you guys along with me on my decorating journey, and I do apologize if this video is a little bit all over the place. Decorating for us just looks different now because it takes us about a week instead of a couple of days, just because we have a needy baby, so you just gotta decorate when you have time. But I still wanted to turn on the camera when I could and just show you guys how we're decorating our new house. So I am of course starting by unwrapping all the things, taking everything out of the box. I just kind of like to see what I have, especially when it was a new area to decorate this year. I just wanted to remember everything I had, anything I got last year that I forgot about. Of course, on my bottle bristle trees, which no, I don't have a problem, don't worry about it. But I love them so much. But yeah, so I just got everything out on the table and then we started decorating. So I started with the mantle. I just hung some white twinkle lights to look just like kind of snow, I guess. And then I wanted to build just like a little tiny village. Maybe in the next years I'll like fill up the entire mantle, but for now I was feeling more of a minimalistic, ooh, that was hard to get out of my mouth. Minimalistic approach of just a few things on the sides. And then I apparently moved on, but we'll be back to the mantle in a little bit. But then I went up to Milo's room and I'm putting his little, I think this is like a 3-foot tree we got at Michael's last year. It has colorful lights already on it. It is so cute. And then I got the idea to make this a tree as if Santa Claus had just come. So it has the snake eating the tree and then of course the vampire teddy. Ludo is loving it and I am loving myself for this idea. I think it's super cute. But yeah, I'm loving having a tree in Milo's room. I think it's so sweet. And we just added a few more Christmassy touches. I got this kind of like plush light strand last year. I don't remember where I got it. For some reason I want to say Trader Joe's, but I think I'm making that up. But I love this, and so he's not even really using his crib right now. He just lays in it sometimes when I'm folding his laundry. But I tied that to his crib, which I think is super cute. And then I put one of my favorite decorations from my childhood, this Grinch snow globe. We have some trees in there. I put the rainbow bottle bristle tree, which I can link this. Whatever I can link, check down below. I will link whatever I can. This is from World Market. They still sell it. I thought it matched the You Matter sign really cutely, and then the rainbow color of the lights on his tree. I mentioned in my decor haul, which I will link up in the corner, that we are going from 1 tree to possibly 3 trees. So we got this awesome tree at Lowe's for under $200, and then we saved $75, so we got a really good deal on it. And we wanted this for our parlor, our front room, so that's exactly where we put it, and we are loving it. I love the way it looks in the windows. You can totally see it when you drive up at night. And we got one of those big 100 ornament packs from Target. If I can find it on the website, I'll link it down below. But I just wanted uniform ornaments, just like colorful ones in this room. Of course, you see Geppetto up there. Geppetto, love ya, buddy. If you've been with me for a while, you already know what's up with Geppetto. But okay, a new day. I left in this entire footage of me decorating the shelves, just to kind of show you how long it can actually take me and how many changes I make in Shelf Sunday, which is a series I'm doing over on my Instagram, which I highly recommend you go check out. I love Shelf Sunday, but it just kind of seems like it effortlessly comes together, no problem, but I really do a lot of trial and error, so I left all this in for you to see. But when I unpacked my bottle bristle trees, I really enjoyed the way they all looked together, and I have a better idea for next year. I just need a lot more bottle bristle trees, so I'm going to get on that stat. But so I was like, what if I took this top shelf, which is, you know, it has a lot of room, so it kind of can take some taller things. And I was like, what if I did a bottle bristle tree forest? And then I was in love with it, so then I just wanted them both kind of on the sides and then something in the middle. I tried to fill up the entire shelf, but I don't have enough trees. I was trying different things, some frames, a plant. I hated it all. This reindeer. I loved the way this joy sign looked on the second shelf, but then it dawned on me like, hey, let's move it up to the top shelf. And then that was the winner for me. So sometimes it takes me a while, but then when I get there and I love the way it looks. And here I am clapping and celebrating, loving what I accomplished. We got some jazz hands. So there was the top shelf done. So then we had to move down. I wanted to display these DIY houses that I painted. I got those in the Target dollar spot last year. I also have a reels on how I made those. I have this new little pink ceramic tree that I got from Target this year. I was trying out this candle, didn't love the way it looked. I decided I needed everything off of the counter below so I can get a clear vision. And then I decided on this cute little polar bear that matches the joy sign. Those are both from LC by Lauren Conrad at Kohl's. I got those a couple of years ago. But yeah, here's the finished shelves. I still need to get a picture for that frame, take off the picture or the sticker. But I totally love it and I think it looks so cute. I've even added a little more decor to the bottom cabinet there. But then I'm moving back over to the mantle and I decided to hang the stockings by the chimney with care. So last year, I think before I got pregnant, we decided to like buy proper stockings since it was like our first year celebrating Christmas at home without any of our family or anything. But then I got too sick and we like barely did anything for Christmas. But that side has our 2 stockings, and then this side has Ludo's. And we did eventually, you'll see at the end of this segment, we did get Milo a stocking this year, and I love the way they all turned out. This green one is his stocking. It's just a knit cable stocking, and I liked how the green matched the polka dots in my stocking. And I just love them, and if we have more kids and more dogs, I can't wait to add on. I just love it. It's just so cute. I love my stocking. Mine's the one with the pom-poms, obviously. But I just love this little mantle. I think it's really cute. And of course, when we get our real tree, it's going to go in the corner by the wall. If you guys are fans of Johanna Parker or J. Parker Design, you know her things can be very hard to find at Home Goods, and I found this set of penguins last year, but then I never got to do a haul, so I'm showing them to you now. But I wanted to showcase them very proudly on this shelf because they're some of my now favorite Christmas decor. So I wanted this to kind of be a candy cane theme shelf. Bradley tried to make his contribution, which I quickly took down, but I wanted the theme to be just like candy cane, just because we were in the kitchen and it just looked cute. So I started with my little penguin guys, and I have some bottle bristle trees and some candy cane candles and a tree, and I couldn't move that plant because it's happiest there, but I love the way that turned out. And then we recently added this shelf kind of in our like hallway by the stairs. I guess I got carried away with the dusting, but I got these fake little like pine trees in the Target dollar section years ago, and then I decided I wanted this to kind of be like a reindeer forest with all my vintage looking reindeer that I'm obsessed with. So that's what I did. I put some trees and some reindeer, and it was easy as that, and I actually really love the way it turned out. I've said it in videos before, if it's a vintage looking reindeer with a cute face, I'm buying it. So I have a lot of them, and there's even more throughout the house and other places, but I just thought these 4 looked cute together, and I love the way it looks. Now just showing you what I did in my office. I put this little tree that I've had for forever just on the little desk that I have back by my nail polishes, and then I put this nutcracker with this really cute pink ombre tree. I got both of these items from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll link what I can down below. Then I took this like flocked mini bottle bristle tree and I put it in a little planter to make it look like a plant, but I ended up hating putting it there, but I did like the way it looked inside that little green pot. But I took it over to the other wall where I have this little pink piece of furniture. I put this really cute World Market Christmas tree candle that I got this year. Again, I will link it. And then the small green pot matched the big green pot, so I put those together. And I love the pink and the greens of this table, so I love the way that turned out. And that's pretty much it for my office. In our bedroom, I did replace the twinkle lights we have above our bed all year round. Oh, that's my cute baby who looks totally like a redhead and is balding. But I replaced the lights with like rainbow color lights just to make it more Christmassy. And then also in the bedroom, we put our tree that we've had for years. This is actually my tree that I've had since I first moved out in college. I love this tree. It's a very skinny tree. Fits perfectly in a small room in a corner. It was perfect for an apartment, but we want to get a real tree for the living room, so I was like, let's put this in our bedroom, and I am totally loving having it in the bedroom. I did do a decorate with me, and I'm going to put that in our first week of Vlogmas, so you can look out for that. But this ended up being the Disney tree, which I'm actually really excited about. I feel lame being one of those people, just because I know people are going to make fun of me, but I don't care. I'm going to do me, and I love my Disney tree. But yeah, guys, that is it for our decorations, pretty much. I'm sure there's more that I forgot to show you, but this was the footage I had of us decorating, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have many more festive videos coming. If you'd like to stick around and subscribe and see those, I'll have my face you can click, and then some more videos you can click that you might enjoy. But thank you again for watching. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.